Ano po yung halaga ng diplomatic protest na pina-file po natin?
Ano ba yung kahalagahan nung pagkapanalo natin sa UNCLOS?
China claims it has a long history of sailing in the West Philippine Sea. Isn't it a bit unfair to disregard their historical claims when in fact may historical basis?
What is this justice?
Hello. Ako si Antonio Carpio, dating Justice ng Supreme Court. Retired pero hindi pa tired.
It was until 2012 that things started to escalate. In April, the Philippine Navy apprehended 8 Chinese fishing vessels and raided their catch. 3 months of a tense standoff followed.
Nung inapi tayo sa Scarborough Shoal noong 2012, pinag-aralan ko ang mga issue para makabawi man lang tayo at mapatunayan natin na atin ang West Philippine Sea. Nung arbitration sa The Hague laban sa China, kasama ako bilang isang observer ng Philippine delegation. Alam ko komplikado itong issue na ito, pero andito ako para sagutin ko lahat na tanong ninyo na
What is this, Justice?
Justice, alam niyo naman na love ko ang history. China claims it has a long history of sailing in the West Philippine Sea. Isn't it a bit unfair to disregard their historical claims when in fact may historical basis?
alam mo, yung UNCLOS, lahat tayo pumirma dyan. Yung China na pumirma, nag-ratify, tayo nag-ratify. At saka sa UNCLOS, klinaro na yung bawat bansa can only claim a territorial sea of 12 nautical miles and then 200 nautical miles